everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul video. This parcel I literally have just found, and I think I ordered it about 6 weeks ago. With all the wedding stuff, it must have just got misplaced, so I'm hoping everything's going to be a-okay in here. So I can't even remember what it is that I've ordered, but I know it's from Practical Publishing, which is Craft Stash, because it says it on the label below. So let's dive in. Now I remember, Tim Holtz was releasing these new distress paints. I don't know if they're new or if they're just new colours or what. So I got all of them and I got a tin to put them in. So we have got Spun Sugar, Tattered Rose, Festive Berries, Aged Mahogany, Crushed Olive, can't work that one out, Forest Peel, Lucky Clover and Pine Needles. Then we've got Tumbled Glass, Stormy Sky, Blueprint Sketch, Wilted Violet, Pumice Stone, Gathered Twist, Brush Corduroy, Old Paper. And the last pack is Dried Marigold, Ripe Persimmon, I can't quite work out that, Rusty Hinge and Wild Honey. And then I also bought the tin to put it all in. So, because I do like to keep my things all in a nice storage caddy. So let's put these in here. So I've got all those in there like so, and I can see all the colours underneath like that, and I can store it like that as well, so all the paints go beyond there. And hopefully, I don't think I'll be able to, no, I won't be able to undo it that way, but at least I can have the paints going down to the nozzle as such. And it did come with this extra one, so I'm guessing this is if you're wanting to put your distress inks in here as well. But so I will keep that, and I'm just wondering if it would still close if I put this in the lid. And it does, so at least then I've got that safe. So that was those. And then I actually got some Tonic Studio dies, as these was in the sales. I can't remember exactly what I paid for them. I'll just see if I can find it on my invoice. This one was $12.47 minus my 10% discount on top because I'm a VIP member. And this is what it kind of makes. It's like pulls out. It's a bit like a, I won't say magic wallet, but something similar to that. So it's a nice greeting card and stuff. These would have been really nice as wedding invites, but as I've done them all now, it doesn't matter. And then I've got these frames. Now the big one was $17.27 and the small one was $8.63. And you can make some really, really nice frames for these. And if I've got time, I'm going to make some for the wedding. Hoping I have, because I've only got 3 weeks left now to the wedding. So I'm not too sure if I will have time or not. But if I do, I will. So yeah, that was like my haul, guys. I know it's only a really small one, but like I say, I totally misplaced this completely. I forgot all about it. I don't know if I've moved it somewhere or someone else has moved it, but I finally found it, and that's it. So thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.